just wanted to show you what my solid bag setup looks like and how to make it. First of all, you need your bait. I've gone with the OG fish pop-ups, match to hatch, Bosch. Right, all I'm going to do, grab one, and then I'm just going to trim it down just that little bit, just so it's an odd shape and the fish won't know what it is. Might slip them up a little bit more. Now what that will do, the fish sort of won't know what it is, and basically they will well, sort of, they always see the round boilie, don't they, or pop up or a dumbbell, but this will be something a bit different. Now this rig, literally just a standard hair rig, as standard as you can get it. I don't feel like you need to do any more than that. Just about 3 or 4 inches. And we've got a lead, fox lead, coming onto some leader. Right. Now all I'm going to do is grab your solid bag. I'm using the Corda small ones. Sort of open it up. Then you want to pierce a hole through the bag, like so. And what that'll do, that'll get all of the air out of the bag while you're making it. And then grab a little scoop of pellet, pop it in your bag, and I feel like that is just a perfect amount to start us off. And what I do, put your hook in and your bait, you sort of hold your lead in between your fingers, and then you need to make sure that your hook is pointing up and not towards your hook bait, like so. And then grab a bigger scoop of pellet, pop it in. Should look like that. And another one. Then what I tend to do, drop the lead in and just pat it down to make sure them pellets are as compact as they can be. Then all you want to do, fill your bag up straight to the brim, like that. And I'll give it a shake, pull the lead up slowly, give it a twist, push down, do it again. And then as you can see, we've got a lot of excess. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill it back up. Just get rid of some of that excess. Pull the lead up again, and do the same thing, same process. You sort of want to twist the top, get hold of it in your 2 fingers, grab it and twist. Now that bag is as compact as it can be. I keep hold of it. I grab some of my PVA tape. Like so. You want quite a big bit. I'll say this is quite big, like above average bit, sort of bit too much. And just keep putting it round. I tend to do it 5 times. And then what you want to do, you grab your 2 bits and you just do a standard knot. Just knot it a couple of times. Make sure you pull the knots tight And what you want to do is grab your scissors and literally cut off this excess bit of PVA tape, like so. Then what we want to do, flick the sides, sort of this bit, the corners, push them down a bit, make sure you get quite a bit of it, give it a little lick, and then what you want to do, you just hold it down, so that stays like that. Same for the other side. Push it in a bit, make sure you got a solid bit of corner bit, give it a little lick, hold it down, and now we have a solid bag. All I'm going to do now is cut off this excess bag at the top. Like so. And it's not the best of looking bags, I cannot lie, but it's a solid bag. There we go. If you want me to do a video on how I tie my rigs in my solid bag, make sure to comment. Bosh.
This solid bag is really good at catching fish, but you need to pick the correct bait to use to catch them bigger fish. Click here to find out the best bait to use.